Hi, Tim Ria here at Informed Health 2015 in beautiful San Francisco. We are at UCSF with Atul Butte. And you just came off stage, but you're new here.
That's right. So I'm just thrilled to announce this morning that I'm the new director of the Institute for Computational Health Sciences. This has been in the works for almost 4 years. Moving up the road from Stanford here to build a brand new team of faculty, partners. Just thrilled to be here.
So that was awesome. So I heard about this yesterday, but we couldn't leak anything. So that's huge news, and it's really going to change the university here and also bring together your whole relationship network and create some new things. So what is your background?
Yeah, so I have a background in computer science, but I'm also a pediatrician, very much on the side. And my lab takes data, which is everywhere now, from from molecular data to wearable data. We take this kind of data and we know how to analyze this data to come up with new products, for new discoveries for health and healthcare, and we have to deliver those products to patients. So we also start companies on the side to make this all happen.
So this is also a center for entrepreneurship and people can engage. Tell me about the topic you guys were speaking about inside.
Yeah, so to me, I think we have all these neat gadgets that we as scientists or consumers use, but the data is just sitting there, starving, waiting for the minds to actually exploit it for health. That's what we're going to do with the center. We're based in Mission Bay here, surrounded by entrepreneurs, surrounded by the best faculty. That is UCSF.
Yeah, it's amazing. Just walking around this area, you can see this is the center of the galaxy of data, informatics, and healthcare. Can you expand upon, really it's about what do you do with the data and where are we at in that process?
Yeah, sometimes it's as simple or as complicated as connecting data sets together. If you have a data set on drugs and a data set on diseases, maybe we should put the two together to get new ideas of how drugs treat diseases. Or if we have data on environmental toxins and where patients live, maybe we get an idea what might be causing different diseases. So all of this is really to help us move our knowledge of diseases and do something about them in health and healthcare.
And we're getting more sophisticated in the wearables and the sensor devices. I noticed Samsung was downstairs. And what's going on in the sensor space?
Yeah, so sensors are really going to be embedded in everything we use. I mean, the iPhone itself and the other smartphones are just loaded with sensors today.
There's more than you think. There's like 12 sensors just in my Note 4.
Yeah, exactly. I think the future is really to use that and figure out how we can take advantage of that to improve health. For example, when an individual walks into a restaurant, maybe someday tell them or encourage them to have healthier choices. Maybe it's about walking a few extra steps instead of getting in the car. Those are the devices. That's how the devices will feed us back what we need to know.
Okay. So looking into the future now that you're here, what are you going to bring to the table and how is that going to change the trajectory of digital health?
Yeah, so we're going to be, first of all, I'm going to be moving my entire lab from Stanford. It's about 20, 25 people up here to UCSF. But I have to now recruit at least a dozen other faculty like me over the next few years, based on the support of all the help, the tech community around us. If everything goes well, that's the goal.
So how do people who are interested in joining the team here or know folks recommend people to you and connect?
I start here April 1st. I will have a UCSF email address pretty quickly, and I think the faculty who are already doing this kind of work, which they are great faculty here, should shoot me an email. I will be finding you. I will be searching for you, and we'll have an inclusive institute that has everyone involved and really just moving the mission forward.
Well, I'm excited to come back and kind of see how you're going to grow this this next year. What's next for you?
Well, I have to start packing some boxes and I'm moving them up the road and figure out how to take that train up to UCSF. But those are the details. It's a lot of strategy now, just finding the right faculty and just start building a team.
I'm super excited for you, Atul. Nice to meet you, and thanks for your time and being on the show, and congratulations.
Thank you very much for your time.